Artificial intelligence is moving fast, faster than anyone predicted. But among all the breakthroughs, one platform continues to define the future of AI, ChatGPT. What started as a simple conversational assistant has now evolved into something much larger, a platform that's reshaping how we browse the web, work, and even think. In this video, we're taking a deep look at the latest updates to ChatGPT, from OpenAI's new Atlas browser and business integrations to global expansion, mental health features, and the quiet transformation that could change how humans interact with technology forever. Let's start with what might be the boldest step OpenAI has ever taken, ChatGPT Atlas. Atlas isn't just another app. It's OpenAI's attempt to completely reinvent how we experience the internet. TechRadar recently revealed that OpenAI is launching a full browser called ChatGPT Atlas, currently in beta for macOS, with versions for Windows, iOS, and Android on the way. But this isn't just a browser with a chat sidebar. Atlas integrates ChatGPT directly into your online activity. You can highlight text on any web page, right-click, and instantly ask ChatGPT to summarize it, translate it, or explain it. If you're filling out a form, Atlas can complete it for you. If you're reading a research article, ChatGPT can generate a simplified summary or even a set of follow-up questions. This is a major shift. OpenAI isn't just competing with Chrome or Safari. It's trying to merge search, browsing, and conversation into a single, intelligent system. It's the first time an AI model has tried to become your browser, not just your assistant. And that's where things get interesting. Atlas doesn't simply answer your questions. It learns from how you browse. It observes what kinds of sources you prefer, how you phrase your prompts, and even the tone of your writing. That's where OpenAI's memory systems start to matter. The more you use it, the more it adapts to you. But OpenAI isn't stopping at personal use. They're building something even bigger for businesses, a system they call company knowledge. According to The Verge, ChatGPT enterprise users can now connect their company's internal tools, Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, Notion, and others, directly to ChatGPT. The result? The AI can search, summarize, and analyze data across your entire organization. Imagine asking, "What were our top-performing marketing campaigns last year?" Or, "Show me bugs reported by users since last week." And ChatGPT instantly delivers a report, not by guessing, but by scanning your real company documents. It's the first step toward a new kind of AI workplace, where the assistant doesn't just write emails, but actually understands your business. Of course, that also raises huge privacy questions. Who owns the data once it's shared with ChatGPT? How secure is that connection? And what happens when AI starts generating insights that humans might have missed? OpenAI insists that enterprise data stays isolated and encrypted, but the broader question remains, are we ready for a digital coworker that can read every document we've ever made? Meanwhile, OpenAI is also expanding on a global scale and making bold moves in emerging markets. In India, they've announced a 1-year free subscription for ChatGPT Go, a plan that normally costs around 400 rupees per month. It's a strategic decision. India is one of the fastest-growing tech markets on Earth, and OpenAI clearly wants ChatGPT to become the default AI assistant for millions of new users. In doing so, they're creating massive brand loyalty early, a move that could reshape the global AI race. But beyond features and strategy, there's something deeper happening. ChatGPT is now being used by millions of people to talk, not just about work, but about life. According to a recent ABC News report, OpenAI's internal data suggests that over 1 million users each week have conversations with ChatGPT that include references to suicide or severe emotional distress. That number is staggering, and it's changing how the company handles safety and well-being. OpenAI has begun working with mental health professionals to redesign ChatGPT's crisis responses, improving empathy, providing real hotline resources, and recognizing when to hand over a conversation to human help. It's a quiet but profound reminder, AI isn't just answering technical questions anymore. It's entering the most private, vulnerable parts of human experience. And that's why the next update matters even more: parental safety controls. Wired recently reported that OpenAI is rolling out a new teen safety system for users aged 13 to 18. Parents will be able to see general usage reports, get alerts for high-risk topics, and filter explicit or violent content. Teens will also have the option to disable memory features, keeping their chats temporary. This might sound small, but it shows something important. OpenAI knows ChatGPT has outgrown its original purpose. It's not just a tool, it's a part of daily life. So where does that leave us? If you step back and look at all of this, the browser, the enterprise tools, the global push, the mental health framework, the teen safety features, it paints a clear picture. ChatGPT is transforming from a conversation model into an AI operating system. It's embedding itself into everything: work, learning, and even emotional support. The line between using ChatGPT and living with ChatGPT is starting to fade. But that also means we need to start asking harder questions. How much data should an AI remember? Should we trust it to guide our research, manage our companies, or handle emotional conversations? And as it becomes more human-like, who takes responsibility when it makes mistakes? Technology always moves faster than regulation, and ChatGPT's evolution is proof of that. But whether you see it as a tool, a teacher, or a companion, one thing is certain: this isn't the same ChatGPT that launched in 2022. It's smarter, more connected, and more human than ever before. And it's only the beginning.